Right now, we believe Nancy is still out there. We want her home. Our department, the Sheriff's Department, along with all of our partners at the FBI, have been working around the clock. And we just want her home and find a way to get to the bottom of all of this, just as you do. Some DNA. We rushed what we thought was the best target for DNA. We did a rush through and got some of that back. The results were minimal. I think you all know the blood on the porch. That was one we did. It came back to Nancy. That's what we know. But there's still more items that have been submitted. We just haven't got them back yet. I want to be very clear. At this time, we have not identified a suspect or a person of interest in this case. We are working our best to do that. But to be clear, we have nobody of interest or any suspects that you would consider a prime suspect. We're just not there. We're not there yet.
Arizona investigators say they believe the missing mother of Today Show co-anchor Savannah Guthrie is still alive, 4 days after she was kidnapped from her home in Tucson. 84-year-old Nancy Guthrie was last seen on January 31st after having dinner with family. Relatives reported her missing the next day. Guthrie has extremely limited mobility, and investigators say she could not have left her home on her own. Pima County Sheriff Chris Nanos confirmed reports that DNA tests identified the blood found on Guthrie's front steps as being hers. He also said her doorbell camera and pacemaker app were disabled early Sunday morning, the window when she is believed to have been taken. Authorities have not identified a suspect or received proof of life, but they say they're operating under the assumption she is still out there.
And I would say absolutely there's a possibility that this is nothing to do with the kidnapping. But we cover all angles. We're not going to dismiss something until we actually know for a fact that it's one way or the other.
The FBI on Thursday offered a $50,000 reward and is analyzing a ransom letter sent to several media outlets. According to celebrity news website TMZ.com, that note set 2 deadlines and demanded a payment in the millions to be paid in cryptocurrency. Investigators say no further communication has been received. Guthrie requires daily medication, heightening concern for her safety. Her family has posted emotional video messages pleading for contact and for her safe return.
This is Cameron Guthrie. I'm speaking for the Guthrie family. Whoever is out there holding our mother, we want to hear from you. We haven't heard anything directly. We need you to reach out, and we need a way to communicate with you so we can move forward. But first, we have to know that you have our mom. We want to talk to you, and we are waiting for contact.
The FBI and the Pima County Sheriff's Office have brought in digital and forensic specialists as the search intensifies.
U.S. stocks ended sharply lower on Thursday, with the Dow and S&P 500 each losing 1.2% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq shedding 1.6%. The tech sell-off continued on investor concerns about heavy spending on artificial intelligence, as well as rapidly improving AI tools that could eat into demand for traditional software. Amal Dargelkar is managing partner and board chairman at Chatham Financial.
We're seeing a lot of selling happening, really driven by the AI apocalypse, if you will. The market has turned from focus on what AI can do in a positive sense for all of these companies, and now is really focused primarily on software companies and seeing what kind of negative impact it can have, particularly on enterprise software firms. So that's been driving a lot of the selling. We've seen it in not just equity markets, but bond and debt markets as well. And this seems to be playing out across the entire market at this point.
Amazon, down nearly 4.5% at the close, plunged another 10% in extended trading after the tech giant projected a jump of more than 50% in capital expenditures this year. The company also forecast first-quarter operating income below analysts' estimates. Shares of Alphabet also closed lower after the company said it plans as much as $185 billion in capex in 2026. Together, the Google parent and its big tech rivals are expected to collectively shell out more than $500 billion on AI this year. Adding to recent losses, Microsoft dropped 5%, Palantir lost more than 6.5%, and Oracle fell 7%. And shares of Qualcomm slid 8.5% after forecasting second quarter revenue and profit below estimates. Outside the tech world, shares of Estée Lauder plummeted 19% after the Clinique owner forecast annual results below estimates.